Hey guys, so I'm here on my lunch break in Charlottesville, Virginia at Lowe's. This is wholesale goods store that sells a lot of home items. All over there you see plant things. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of what a Lowe's looks like. But I was just checking here to see. This is a 6-footer 4x4 piece of wood. This is going to be a fence post that I'm actually needing. That it just so happened that I was just passing by and I was let me check, because this is around the time that things are either in season or they're not in season. So this is the 4x4 that I'm looking, and the good thing is it actually comes with a Gothic shape, so I'm gonna try to find a better piece. That this one has cracks, as you can see. I'm trying to make sure that I get one that doesn't have any cracks in it. And I need 3. Okay, so I like this one. I'm gonna place it over here. Here's another piece. So anyways, so these are called 4x4 pieces of post here, and put in the back. But here they are. Here you have an 8-feet one, and I can tell because I'm 5'11", and this is about 6 feet. As you can see, it's about my height. So I'm just an inch shy of being 6 feet. But anyways, so I'm here. I wasn't intending on buying supplies for fixing the fence, but since I was out and about and looking, I was nearby actually getting something in a grocery store, and then I saw Lowe's, and I decided to come and check it out just to look out of chance, because sometimes you are not guaranteed to get these things because they are off season. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these pieces loaded here in just a second on the shopping cart, and then I'm gonna give you guys a tour. I'm also looking for extra about 4 feet flat Gothic shaped Picket fence pieces of wood. So I'm gonna also be looking at that here in just a second. I actually don't have my phone holder with me because I wasn't intending on recording the video. I was just checking it out. But what I've learned over the last couple of years and couple of seasons is that when you find something, go ahead and get it, because when you come back, it's gonna be gone. And I'm in Charlottesville, Virginia, so about an hour away from home. So I'm not sure that the local store is going to have these pieces of wood. So I'm gonna go ahead and do myself due diligence and not be sorry later, and try to get them right now when I'm here. So I just need to set up my phone and then load them up. Is 6 feet 4x4. you have you need this section here has fence items. If you need fence railings, fence posts, you can see this is a warehouse that has everything. As you can see, this is a fencing area, bamboo and reed fencing. Those are bamboo pieces of wood. They have every type of supply that you're looking for. So this is the wooden section. You can see this is a warehouse that has everything. Everything is loaded all the way to the top. There's metal fences. And this is where I just got those these 4x4s. Okay. So here is my shopping cart. As you can see, they have blocks for different things. I'm just gonna put my shopping cart over here because I'm also looking for some other supplies. But I am super happy because these posts, I wasn't sure if I was gonna get them because this fence at my house was built. The house was built more than almost 20 years ago. So some of same building styles are no longer existing, or the same materials. Sometimes you can't find them. But this is a warehouse. These are pavers. As you can see, stone construction. So they just have just about everything. Over that section, you have mulch. These are planting containers. These are wine barrels that are cut in half. So here's my shopping cart. So they have just about everything here. So they have wood inside and also outside. This is grass area stuff. They have grass seed over here. So you can imagine it. This is just this is called Lowe's, Lowe's. So anyway, let me just walk around and give you a quick tour of this store. Actually, this is the outdoor section area. It's right now is the last week of February, so all around here, this empty sections over here, all this is usually filled with flowers, plants that are all usually put out here for people to buy, to plant. So I'm probably going to do a tour of Lowe's in the spring. This is the last week of February, so it's a very nice day. It's actually been a week since my fence broke all over. But anyway, let me show you.
Service needed on aisle 29. Customer service needed on aisle 29.
Okay. So all over here, over there, on the far wall, that's mulch stuff for planting. You can see here, you have perennials, those are flowers. All over here, all this is going to be filled with flowers. And that section over there is where I just cut the wood. But as you can see, this is huge. This are all flowers. You can see they're starting to germinate. In a couple weeks, this is going to be fully flowers. Let me show you. So the lady over there is watering with flowers. And they have seeds, just fine. Excuse me. Sorry. Alright. So this is the outdoor area, and I'm gonna go inside. So these plants that you see over here are inside, and this section here is actually closed in. It's like a greenhouse, and it's heated with artificial heat. But once it gets warmer, all these plants are going to be put outside because it's still winter. But as you can see, you're looking for flowers. For home items, these are coolers. If you're looking for a fire pit, that goes for $479. These are wooden ones that you can put wood in it. So actually, also right now it's kind of like a good time to check out if you're shopping for anything that is that you're going to use for the summer. So this is probably you have inventory that has been left over from the fall season. Now we're going into spring. We have had winter. It's been snow since we got snow in December, but winter usually starts around October, going all the way around March. This is the last week of February. So all these items here, like heaters for the cold, and things of that nature, you can easily find them on clearance or on sale. So for me, what I usually do if I need any home items, I typically come and shop off season. So like if you're looking for a hose pipe for watering your garden, you have flowers, organic seeds, but here hose pipes. That's all flower seeds, vegetable seeds. So yeah, so they're definitely setting up for the spring season. But as you can see, these are the flowers and plants I'm talking about that are currently not so over here. They're beautiful. The flowers that you have seen on my porch over the last summer, probably I got them from Lowe's. So as you can see, you have all types of seeds. I'm sorry, not seeds, plants, flowers. These are beautiful. And so they're being housed in here because it's winter and it's cold and they don't want to die. But once it warms up, they will be, transferring them outside. But as you can definitely see from this angle behind me here, they're still green and beautiful because they have heat here. My two summer plants that I have are currently sitting in my shed because of the cold. So I'm hoping they will survive to replant this. Okay, so this is the windows. So this is about $1,000 USD. This is a sofa, sectional sofa, outdoor sofa. These cushions are probably weather resistors. They have pergola. This is called a pergola that you can easily buy and assemble on your deck. Some of these come fully with a fan on top. It's a beautiful seat here. This is probably sold separately. See how much it goes for. This table here is a 650 USD. More flowers. also you can buy it and they can install it for you. Of course, excuse me. Of course, you have to pay. These are normal ones for mowing lawns, grass seeds. These are grass seed spreaders. More grass seeds. So they're definitely starting to set up for the spring season. All this is summer stuff. If you're looking for grills, they definitely also would have grills, depending on what high end you want. This is called a griddle. It's a gas griddle. So let me just show you more of these grills also. This is a big one. Oof, that's huge. This is a smoker. They also have small portable ones. It's probably like $50.
I'm coming.
As you can see, this is a huge warehouse, and you can find just about anything that you want in here. Since we moved into our home, I actually have a membership with Lowe's and also another similar store called Home Depot. But because of their politics and who they choose to support politically, my alliances are with Lowe's because you shop where you're valued, where you're not being taken for granted for all. So yeah, so I shop at Lowe's mostly because of their, not to get political or anything, but because of their unbiased political views. As you can see, all this drawers full of supply items. This is all high pipes, plumbing. So just about anything that you need, you'll find here. So you can find appliances, fridges, wardrobes, sinks, kitchen, toilets. Let me show you. That's it. Anything you want, you need. If you're shopping, you can definitely find it here. So, okay. Boards for tables. Okay. Just look at that. So as you can see, they have rows and rows of things. So right now, coming by appliances. So these are freezers, washers, marble for construction, for kitchen tables, bathroom sinks, just about anything that you need, you will find here. This, I'm also looking for more. That's way like that. I'm also looking for quick dry salad. But since I'm on my lunch break and I don't have a whole lot of time, I just, like I said, I was just quickly browsing to see if I'm gonna find it. But I did find it. So I'm also gonna walk towards the section of Lowe's that also has wooden things, to see if I can also find some more pieces of wood. So, like I said, you can find anything. Like these are round pieces of wood. Door jambs, decorative, just about anything. Look at that. That is huge. So for me, I just got this 3 4x4 6 feet posts to start, and I'm gonna try to see one more thing, and then I'm gonna head out. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna do a continuation of this video in a Harrisonburg store, a Lowe's, and see if I can find the other items there. So here they have windows and doors, fiberglass windows, ladders, so this is the roofing section. They have boards. So I am actually needing to get this. I probably need it to be cut. So I'm just looking around here for a second. Here they have concrete accessories. Okay. So I had initially thought that I would have had to got this, but I got lucky that I got the ones that have. Excuse me. Sure. The Gothic shape right here. So let's see if we can find other pieces. So all this is already wood, and most of this wood is already processed wood. You can see whatever size that you need, you just come and get it, and you just go pay. You can also request to get it cut in pieces and measurements that you prefer. So for the sake of other duties, work, and whatnot, let me go ahead and pay for this. Now I'm going to continue with the video in the Lowe's store in Harrisonburg as we walk on this repair project. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so I just got this 3 posts. I gotta try to remember where I parked. Okay. Okay guys, so what I just ended up doing is I just ended up lowering my back seat, and then I just easily have been able to put these 4x4 posts here in the back of my trunk. I wasn't sure if they're gonna fit, but that worked out beautifully, so I'm not complaining. Anyway guys, as you just saw there, I just loaded the 3 4x4 posts that I just acquired from Lowe's. Like I mentioned, these patches are just me on my lunch break looking around to get something at a local store, and I saw Lowe's here and I decided to just jump into action and see if they have those pieces of wood. And also because I know from past experience that sometimes when you find something when you're not looking for it, that's the best time to get it, because you might not get another opportunity to acquire those materials, or you might go somewhere else looking for them and you might not get them. So anyways, like I mentioned, I'm on my lunch break. This is an impromptu purchase of materials for repairing my fence that was blown away by heavy winds over a week ago. I have been waiting to try to repair that fence because of the cold weather, but this being the last week of February, starting to warm up. This whole week we've been temperatures have been during the day 60 degrees Fahrenheit. In the evenings it's dropping back to the to 20, 16, but at least I know that it's going to be warmer this week, so I'm going to work on this project this week. So I'm getting materials and working on this project. So we're going to continue getting more materials probably later this week in Harrisonburg. So let's go ahead. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly run back to work because I'm on my lunch break. I got some other things I gotta take care of. It is about let me see what time it is. It is about 1:20 right now. So no, without further ado, if you're tuning in here and wondering what is going on, thank you for checking out Chacha Unlmtd. I'm a content creator from Kenya, living here in Shenandoah Valley, in the city of Harrisonburg, Virginia, in a small town, USA, bringing you exciting content that bridges my Kenyan connection with my American life here as a Kenyan-American in a small town, USA. So I am now working on fixing my fence, a portion of my fence that was blown away by heavy winds over a week ago. We've had fierce winter storms, snow, heavy winds. So without further ado, let me get back to work, and I'm gonna continue this video, so stay tuned. Kindly consider subscribing, hit that like button, share with your friends and family members, and to my returning subscribers, thank you. I appreciate you all. Let's continue to support Chacha Unlmtd on our journey as we grow this channel. All right, keep it locked in. As you saw in my previous video, I had my fence blown over by heavy gusty winds that have devastated southern Virginia over the last couple of weeks. And so right now I am going to be stopping over at the local hardware store. It's a huge home goods hardware store that sells just about everything, and I'm going to be getting some supplies for fixing the fence. So I hope that you stay tuned, and if you're brand new here to my channel at Chacha Unlmtd, kindly consider subscribing and help me get on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So let's go ahead and get inside of this store, Lowe's, and check out wood supplies and other items that I'm going to be needing for my fence repair. So here is my list for my fence repairs. Alright, so guys, this is the Lowe's store in the city of Harrisonburg, Virginia, where I reside. So earlier on in the video, I had stopped over a day ago in the city of Charlottesville, and I had basically was looking around during my lunch break to find some supplies, and I was able to get 3 4x4 wooden posts that I need. And so now I'm trying to finalize shopping for supplies for fixing the fence. So this is the same similar store called Lowe's in the city of Harrisonburg. So this is what my fence looks like. So what I'm looking for these individual pieces of wood, these ones. I'm hoping that they sell them individually. So I'm looking for those because all I need to do is to replace some of the rotten ones. But as you can see, as I was saying, this is already pre-made. That's what it looks like. But I don't need the whole fence. I just need the individual, these single pieces. So I'm gonna try to find them here because that's what I need to fix some of the broken pieces. So I'm not sure if they have them out here. I'm gonna need to ask somebody to see if I can find them. Yeah, so I'm also gonna need quick dry cement, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to find somebody to see if they have those single pieces, and I'm gonna get the rest of the wooden pieces that I need. It is about 9 o'clock this morning, so I'm out and early and about after dropping my son Jay off at school to see if I can work on this project. And I actually took the day off from work because this is a project that I need full attention without Mr. J distracting me or wanting to chime in. He likes to help a lot of times, but we're going to go ahead and try to see if we can find the materials that we need, and then quickly get back to the house and see if we can work on this fence. So I'm working on this project because it's actually been a couple weeks. It's been 2 weeks since that fence fell over, and I've been waiting because in between we actually did have snow, and the ground was still frozen, so I couldn't really dig to fix it, as well as I was waiting for a warm weather day, because you don't want to do this type of work when it is cold and freezing. It's not going to be very comfortable. So let me look before heading back inside. quick question for you. If I need 3 posts, is this gonna be enough?
No.
Okay. How many bags do I need?
I'll put a bag on each post.
A bag of each post?
I do.
Okay. Thank you.
Life nothing, but today we get lost. Throw away worries, no count the cost. Today we dance, forget our sorrow. Live for today, think of tomorrow. That's for the moment, shake away the pain. Lose yourself in the music, let go of the street. Raise your hands, feel the beat. In this moment, life is sweet. See the smiles, feel the heat. Every heartbeat beats. It's secret. Friends keep us most. Nobody's there, but here we stand. Capturing joy with our own hand. Let the music lead, follow its flow. In the dance of life, let yourself go. Dance for the moment, shake away your pain. Lose yourself in the music, let go of the stream. Raise your hands, feel the beat. In this moment, life is sweet. So when the night falls and the music slows, keep the memory of this dance close. Dance for the moment, live for today. In every beat, joy have its way.
Oops, sorry. Alright guys, so I have gotten some quick dry cement, and I've gotten some pieces of wood that are gonna be the support for the fence, and I'm just doing one last check. There's one other thing that I need that unfortunately I have not been lucky to find, and I've been asking. I asked
The baby break, I did wake.
maybe not able to
Yeah, the morning sun
tell me
does
whether they
take a
had them in
shape.
stock, so I
Life the rush, but the boss to say thank you.
I'm taking
Sky for another day.
to see if maybe a
Call up to the sky, make we raise our voice high. Sing with the birds as they fly by. Sing out your grace, we did rely. Oh, sky above, hear our cry.
pieces.
Oh, oh,
Unfortunately, don't see them. So I'm gonna have to look on other tickets to find them. Alright.
when trouble day, storm clouds fall. I look up, face the weather where
Okay,
they come.
guys, so I'm making my way out to pay for this pieces
But
of
with
wood
faith,
and the
I
cement,
stand strong.
and I'm gonna try to
Sky
check it out
above,
the store.
to
But
you, I belong.
next coming weeks, all this is gonna be full of flowers.
Every drop of rain, every ray of
For
sun,
the spring
teach me say
summer
life
season.
go on. Through
So
the good
maybe
and
we'll
bad,
check this out
high
later.
and low, sky above, guide me as I go.
Alright, so we just got some items.
Call up
I'm
to
still
the
missing a
sky,
couple.
make we raise our voice
Today,
high.
I'm gonna go ahead and load this in my vehicle, and then see if I can get the other pieces of wood that I need. If not, then I'm probably gonna have to postpone this project.
As the baby break, I did wake. Hear the morning song, does it take a shape? Life the rush, but the boss to say thank you. Sky for another day. Call up to the sky, make we raise our voice high. Sing with the birds as they fly by. Sing out your grace, we did rely. Oh, sky above, fall. I look up, face the weather with it calm.
Hey guys, so we're back home now, and as you can see, I am unloading the wood from the trunk of my car, and I'm gonna be moving it up onto the yard as well as the dry cement. So stay tuned.
Call out to the sky, make we raise our voice high. Sing with the birds as they fly by. Sing out your grace, we dare rely. Oh, sky above, hear our cry. Oh, oh. Every drop of rain, every ray of sun, teach me, say life to go on. Through the good and bad, the high and low, sky above, guide me as I go. Drop of rain, every ray of sun, teach me, say life to go on. Through the good and bad, the high and low, sky above, guide me as I go. Sky above, guide me as I go. Oh, oh, oh. So as I journey through each day, to the sky above I always go pray. Be there with me, come what may. Sky above, show me the way. Come what may, sky above, show me the way.
I just got home and I just put the materials and supplies over here. So we got fast setting concrete mix, and I had already gotten this 4x4 6 feet post that we're going to be using to fix this fence. Hey guys, so as you saw there, we just brought our material home after looking around and shopping to work on fixing the fence. And also, as you saw earlier, I had also gotten three posts, 3 fence posts. They are 4x4 6 feet posts that we're going to be using to secure our fence. And I also got some wood pieces that we're also going to be using. So together, the wood post, each one of them was about $9.40 for a total of about $28.15. And I'm looking at the receipts for my shopping. And for the wood pieces, the cement, the quick dry cement, that was a total of about $56.93. So that's around a total of 85 US dollars. That rounds up to about 10,850 Kenya shillings. So $85 for the total cost of that. It's a little pricey, to be honest. And that is one of the reasons why in the previous video that you watched, I kind of took down the fence earlier, so that it didn't damage the rest of the fence, because if it's sagging and laying, then it's bound to also kind of make the rest of the fence loose, and with that cause more damage and be a costly fix. So so it's definitely a pinch, but I definitely want to make sure that I take care of that fence. It's really not bothering me. It's not a security issue or safety issue, but I just want to get this done because other things come up, home repairs and things of that nature. You definitely want to. It's a little, the wind is picking up, so that's why I'm looking. Something just got thrown up in the air. So yeah, so that's what you saw there. Materials are here, so we're gonna quickly get that project started. But I'm gonna end this video here. So I'm really grateful. I want to say thank you all for tuning in on this amazing Friday afternoon here in Virginia, on this last day of February 2025. So I'm hoping that March is going to be more positive, and we're really ready for some nice spring warm weather. Of course, it comes with rain, which is going to bring flowers. The grass is going to become greener. So we are looking for this to put an end to this cold season of this winter, these crazy winds that just blew over the fence, and now we're gonna have to fix it. But all in all, we're blessed and thankful. To all my returning subscribers, I want to really say thank you for always coming back, checking me out, liking, sharing my videos, leaving a comment. And if you're brand new here, again, like, share, and hit that subscribe button as you help me on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So guys, ladies and gents, thank you. Be blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Kindly watch this video from beginning to end, don't skip. And so that's how you're gonna help me and tell the YouTube algorithm who is watching, so that we can grow our community here at Chacha Unlmtd. Let's see each other in the next video, and I love you guys, and I don't take you for granted. I want you guys to know that I don't take any of you guys for granted, and I appreciate you all for always coming back, checking out my video, and helping Chacha Unlmtd grow here. This is our community. We're building, we're growing together. It's now, I think we're now on about 7 months on YouTube. So I'm learning every day. I'm enjoying creating content, and just learning and sharing with all of you guys. So thanks again. Let's enjoy this marvelous, beautiful day, whatever you're watching from, whether it's morning, evening, or afternoon. I'm really grateful. Anyways, I wish you love, peace, and a blessed end of February, as we are ushering in the new month of March, tomorrow. Kwaheri, peace, ciao. All right, see you guys.